Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. Today is Saturday, so cleaning day. So I'm just going to be deep cleaning my kitchen today. Yeah, the kitchen is a mess. It's a mess. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you the mess my family and I created. Mostly me. Yay! So when you walk inside the kitchen, this is what you see. Sorry. Like, what is this? The dishes are not washed, so that's like an added. I don't even. The cupboard there is spoiled. I need to fix that. Like, this is bad. The cupboards, all a mess. Like, this is embarrassing and so bad. So my goal today is to deep clean the cupboards and just deep clean everything. I'm giving myself 3 hours to get this done. So yeah, that's my goal. Okay, let's get clean because we got a lot to do. Guys, I've washed the dishes now. The counter is looking way better. And yeah, I'll have to clean the stove later, but that is when I'm coming to like finish up everything. The dishes are washed. So now I am going to attack this first row over here. So yeah, let's get into it.
Tried to leave it all behind. Wandered alone through the night. Me and all of my dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me anywhere.
Guys, look at how many Ziploc bags we have. Like, this is, oh my god, this is crazy. Like, what? Oh my god, I've got to organize this and pack them here. So yeah, but what in the world?
Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me anywhere.
So after the first couple, which is there, I'll show you guys later. This is the mess on the floor. Yeah, go and give it to mommy. This is the mess on the floor. All these rubbers, I need to sort them out and see which ones are good and which ones should be thrown away. Okay, so now next we're going to be attacking this room. Here it's not that messy. Here it's also not that messy. But here is where you need anything worse. So let's get on with that. Good. Guys, so have you guys tried this seafood in? It's actually not that bad. There's like dried fish and stuff inside. So comment down below if you have tried it. Really good. And I love the packaging. Like, it looks so nice. Yeah. Guys, I'm done with this row. Now we are on to the next side. Here is where the things work. Like here's like our plates and bowls, and I don't know why random stuff is in here. And here's like our substance and stuff. Like here's like medicine and rank. I don't know why that bottle is there. Like why? Anyways, I'm going to do this now. I'm sure my voice is low because I'm so tired right now. Okay, let's get on with it. So I have to pause a bit because I have to make breakfast for my little brother and sister. So I'm just going to blend some kinky for them. And yeah, and when I'm done with that, I'll continue my work. Okay guys, I'm done with this whole, let's go back a bit. I'm done with this whole place, like everywhere, every cupboard here. Now we are on to, I need to put these dishes away. Then I'm going to, all the top here is actually organized, so I'm just going to put these containers up there and then organize this piece because this piece is disgusting. Yeah. And yeah, so now I'm going to attack this side. This. Okay, let's do that. Okay guys, so I am done with the cupboards now, all of them, and this side I organized it, but I feel there's too much here, like there's too much. But then when we come to the other like food stuff, it's so clear. So because the side can be closed, I'm going to put a lot of the stuff here, and the ones that we need on a daily basis, that like we need almost for every meal, I'm gonna put them in the visible side. I think that's what I'm going to do because that side is way too loud. Okay, so let me do that now. Okay guys, so I'm done with that now. Now I look for a lot paper. And this side is also not that crowded now. It's not even that bad. There's like a story and it's close, it's not as visible as that side. Now I'm going to wash these things up from the stove. They are so so dirty, so I'm just gonna like wash them and then clean the stove and then the counter and sorry, then I'm going to clean the microwave and then like here, and then after this I just attack the floor and I'll be done. It is currently, I'm really scared to check the time. I'm sure I have passed my 3. Yeah, started at 7 and now it's 10:20. I'm gonna give myself till 11 to eat. My intermittent fast is over now, but I still haven't done that. Anyways, after I've done eating, I also have to go and clean my room, but that, yeah. But this video is all about deep cleaning my kitchen, so yeah. Okay, right, let's keep going. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am done with the cleaning. I'm so happy about what I did. Like, this is so good that I was able to like get everything done. I took 4.5 hours. It's currently 11:32. Like, that's a long time and I'm so hungry. My mom and sister are also very hungry right now, so I'm gonna make breakfast now. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.